Hey everybody, Jim Watson, aka Joe Welder. Welcome to Arc-Zone.com and our innovation video series. So the innovation series is a range of products that we created to solve application problems, improve weld quality, and lower welding costs. Today we're going to talk about the LowRider series, and these are front end parts that you can shrink the front of your torch for restricted space applications and still get all the benefits of a gas lens collet body. So you can see these torches. This is a 9 or a 20 series, the 8 or the 24 with the standard gas lens, LowRider, and the LowRider slammed. Today we're going to talk about the LowRider. Each LowRider series kit comes with all the parts you need packaged in one handy kit. And the reason that we do that is so there's no stack up tolerance problems when you get it, so everything fits together as it's supposed to, and then as you use the parts you only reorder what you need. So what you want to do is take your standard insulator off the front of the torch, put our modified insulator on. You can reinstall the back cap, and again the kit comes with the button or the low profile cap, a wedge collet, gas lens collet body, and just snug that up. Then you can install the electrode, snug that. Comes with a collet body wrench. If you prefer, you can tighten it with the collet body wrench. Just snug it and then install the gas cup. And there you go, a LowRider kit. So this is an ideal setup for restricted space applications, tool and die repair, anything that requires a real steady hand and tight workspace. LowRider gas lens series. Thanks for watching and good welding.